G'day guys, Jake here. Welcome back to another ROX product video. Behind me here we have our latest fuel tank to the range, our Komatsu 830E fuel tank. The team's really excited to add this one to the range alongside a lot of our cap fuel tanks. We've got plenty of these in stock. They come with our certified transport and installation frame. So these are really good. They actually eliminate the requirement for a crane on site. You can just forklift them straight into position. So that eliminates any sort of unnecessary fall hazards. We've tested that, they work really well. These can come supplied with our Armour Flex coating, as with all our fuel tanks, as well as rubber flaps and any fast fuel injection system that you have on your site. So as I said, plenty of these in stock here. Reach out to the ROX team via LinkedIn, phone, email, anything, and we'll get back to you from there. Cheers.